Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an adrenaline junkie, a traveler, or just someone who loves capturing life's most epic moments, you know that having the right action camera can make all the difference. Whether you're shredding down a mountain, diving into the deep blue sea, or just capturing your everyday adventures, today we're counting down the top 5 best action cameras of 2024 that are built to handle anything you throw at them. From crystal clear 4K footage to insane stabilization features, these cameras are pushing the limits of what's possible. So, if you're ready to level up your footage and capture every moment in stunning detail, be sure to stick around till the end, because we've got the perfect action camera for you. Alright, let's dive into it. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. GoPro Hero 12 Black is the latest and most powerful action camera from GoPro. It offers some unique features that make it stand out from the crowd, such as 10-bit HDR video wireless audio support and timecode sync. Whether you are a casual filmmaker or a professional videographer, Hero 12 Black has something for you. One of the main attractions of the Hero 12 Black is its 10-bit HDR video mode, which captures more dynamic range and colors than the standard 8-bit mode. This means you can get more details in the shadows and highlights and more flexibility in post-processing. You can also choose between different color profiles, such as GP log for a flat look, or SDR for a more natural look. The Hero 12 Black can record up to 5.3K 60 fps, 4K 120 fps, or 2.7K 240 fps, giving you plenty of options for resolution and frame rate. Another unique feature of the Hero 12 Black is its wireless audio support, which allows you to connect compatible Bluetooth headphones or microphones to the camera. This can improve the sound quality and reduce the wind noise, especially when you are vlogging or recording interviews. You can also use dual-channel audio, which lets you record 2 separate audio tracks from different sources, such as a built-in mic and an external mic. The Hero 12 Black also has a timecode sync feature, which is useful for professional filmmakers who need to synchronize multiple cameras or audio devices. This feature embeds a timecode into the video file, which can be read by editing software or external devices. This can save you time and hassle when editing multi-camera footage or syncing audio. Number 2. Insta360 GO 3. Insta360 GO 3 is a tiny powerhouse of an action camera that offers a lot of versatility and creativity for casual and professional users alike. It weighs only 35 grams and can be mounted almost anywhere. With its magnetic design and included accessories, it can capture ultra-wide POV shots in 2.7K resolution, with flow-state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock, making it ideal for capturing smooth and stable footage in any situation. It also has a waterproof rating, so you can take it underwater up to 16 feet without worrying about damage. The GO 3 comes with an action pod, which is a flip touchscreen that doubles as a remote control and a live preview. You can use it to frame your shots, access preset shooting options and settings, and snap photos with ease. The Action Pod also extends the battery life of the GO 3, allowing you to film for up to 170 minutes. The Action Pod is IPX4 splashproof, so it can handle rain and snow as well. The GO 3 has some smart features that make it easy to use and fun to play with. You can start recording instantly with the quick capture button, even when the camera is off. You can also use voice control to command the camera, hands-free. The GO 3 has an auto mode that adjusts the exposure and color automatically, as well as various filters that you can apply to your videos and photos. You can also edit your footage with the Insta360 app or Studio, which offers a range of tools and effects to enhance your creativity. The Insta360 GO 3 is not without its drawbacks. Though it has no removable storage, you are limited by the internal memory. It also has no external mic support, so the audio quality may not be very good in noisy environments. It also tends to get warm after prolonged use, which may affect the performance and battery life. The GO 3 also struggles in low light conditions, producing grainy and blurry images overall. Number 3. GoPro Max. Our next pick is GoPro Max, the second 360-degree camera from GoPro. But it is much more than a sequel to the Fusion. It is a versatile device that combines the features of Hero 8 and Fusion with some exclusive new features that make it stand out. The GoPro Max has 2 lenses, one on each side, that can capture everything around you in stunning detail. You can shoot immersive, 360-degree videos at 5.7K resolution, or use the Hero mode to switch to a single lens and record in 1080p, or 1440p. You can also use the front-facing screen and camera to vlog or take selfies. One of the best features of the GoPro Max is the ability to edit your 360-degree videos on your smartphone using the GoPro app. You can reframe your shots, zoom in and out, add keyframes, and create dynamic clips that look like they were shot with multiple cameras. You can also export your videos in different formats, such as Tiny Planet or Panorama. The GoPro Max also has 6 microphones that capture directional audio and reduce wind noise. You can use voice commands to control the camera, hands-free, or use the touchscreen to access various settings and modes. The camera is waterproof, up to 5 meters, and has a removable battery that lasts up to 90 minutes. The GoPro Max is not perfect, though it is bulkier than other 360 cameras and it does not have a traditional 4K video mode. The app experience could also use some improvement, as it can be slow or buggy at times. Number 4. Insta360 X3. The Insta360x3 is a versatile and easy-to-use 360-degree action camera that can also capture 4K videos with a single lens. It has a slim and pocket-sized design, a large and bright touchscreen, and powerful editing software. The Insta360 X3 has dual 48-megapixel sensors that can record 5.7K 360-degree videos and 72-megapixel still images. It also has an active HDR mode that can keep highlight details in high-contrast scenes. The Insta360 X3 has a 2.29-inch touchscreen that is much larger and brighter than the previous model, the One X2. This makes it easier to frame and review your shots, as well as access the settings and modes. The screen also supports swiping gestures to switch between lenses and modes. The Insta360 X3 can also be used as a 4K single-lens action camera, which is a new feature that was not available in the One X2. This gives you more flexibility and versatility when shooting different scenarios. The Insta360 X3 has a great battery life of up to 90 minutes of continuous 5.7K recording, which is an improvement over the One X 280 minutes. It also has a fast charging feature that can fully charge the battery in about an hour. The Insta360 X3 has a fun and powerful editing software that lets you reframe your 360 videos and photos into regular, flat ones, as well as apply various effects and filters. You can also use the Shot Lab feature to create amazing videos with creative templates and AI-powered effects. The Insta360x3 is an enjoyable and easy-to-use camera that can capture stunning 360-degree videos and photos, as well as decent 4K single-lens videos. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 4. The last one on our list is DJI Osmo Action 4, a powerhouse action camera that's designed to capture your adrenaline-fueled moments with stunning clarity and stability. The Osmo Action 4 boasts a rugged, waterproof design that can withstand depths of up to 60 meters or 197 feet. Whether you're surfing, diving, or mountain biking, this camera is ready for action. The front-facing color screen is a game-changer for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, allowing you to frame your shots perfectly with a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor and an f2.8 lens. The Osmo Action 4 delivers impressive image quality. It captures 12-megapixel photos and shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second. Rock-steady stabilization technology ensures buttery smooth footage even during intense movements. The dual-screen setup is a standout feature. The front screen is ideal for framing selfies or checking your composition, while the larger rear touchscreen provides intuitive controls for settings and playback. Switching between screens is seamless, making it a versatile tool for content creators. Hands-free operation is a breeze with voice commands addition. 3. You can set custom shooting presets for different scenarios. The removable battery provides up to 90 minutes of continuous 4K recording for longer shoots. Carry spare batteries. The DJI Osmo Action 4 connects via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to the DJI Mimo app, enabling live streaming, editing, and sharing on the go. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a reliable companion for thrill seekers, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts. That's all for now. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.